A lot of people getting into crypto hear the word wallet and immediately assume it's where their coins are stored. But that's not actually how it works. So let's clear that up properly. A crypto wallet doesn't really hold your cryptocurrency at all, since your crypto always lives on the blockchain itself. What the wallet actually holds are your cryptographic keys, and those keys are what give you the right to move and control your funds. Think of it less like a physical wallet and more like a set of digital keys. If you have the keys, you control the crypto. If you don't, someone else does. And this brings us to one of the most important concepts in crypto that every beginner needs to understand: custodial versus non-custodial wallets. A custodial wallet is when a third party holds your private keys on your behalf. This usually happens when you keep your crypto on an exchange or use a platform that manages everything for you behind the scenes. It's convenient, it's familiar, and it feels similar to online banking, but there's a trade-off. You're trusting that company to safeguard your funds, stay solvent, and allow withdrawals whenever you want. History has shown that this trust doesn't always hold up, whether through hacks, freezes, mismanagement, or outright collapse. This is why you often hear the phrase, not your keys, not your coins, because if you don't control the keys, you don't truly control the money. On the other side of the spectrum, you have non-custodial wallets. With a non-custodial wallet, you and only you control the private keys. When you create one, you're typically given a recovery phrase, something called a seed phrase, which acts as the master key to your funds. If you lose that phrase, there is no password reset, no customer support, and no recovery process. But if you protect it properly, no company, no government, and no third party can take your crypto away from you. This is where the real philosophical shift of crypto becomes obvious. You're not asking permission to access your money. You are fully responsible for it. According to Coin Center, one of the most respected independent crypto education organizations, cryptocurrencies allow individuals to hold and transfer value without relying on centralized intermediaries, and self-custody through non-custodial wallets is a core part of that promise. Quick pause here. If this explanation is helping you actually understand how crypto works instead of just hearing buzzwords, take a second to subscribe, because this channel is focused on making these concepts clear, practical, and grounded in reality. Now, back to wallets. Non-custodial wallets come in different forms. Software wallets live on your phone or computer and are great for everyday use, while hardware wallets are physical devices designed to keep your private keys offline for extra security. Hardware wallets reduce the risk of online attacks, but they still require you to take responsibility for backups and self-storage. This is where many people feel intimidated because non-custodial wallets don't come with safety nets. You are the bank. That can feel uncomfortable at first, but it's also what makes crypto fundamentally different from traditional finance. So what type of wallet is better? The honest answer is that it depends on your priorities. Custodial wallets prioritize convenience and ease of use, while non-custodial wallets prioritize sovereignty, privacy, and true ownership. Understanding this distinction is one of the most important steps you can take in crypto, because once you understand who holds the keys, you understand who really holds the power. And that realization changes how you think about money forever. If you want more clear, no-nonsense explanations like this one, make sure you're subscribed, because we're just getting started.